said hi guys. You said hey guys. Hey guys. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. You must be in the video.
All right, well, I guess you're part of the video now. We were actually going to talk about a surprise for your birthday. How old are you going to be?
You guys go play. Go play so we can talk about it. Wait, how old are you going to be?
We'll come get you in just a minute.
Yeah. I think I know where we're going to go into the pool party.
No.
No. No. Go away. Okay, Lucas is turning 5, as you know.
Yeah.
So we are going to surprise him. I'm going to see if he's listening. He's outside of the door. Anyways, so we are taking him to Diggerland. Diggerland is where you can like drive tractors and construct like these machines. I think you dig too, pretty sure.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Duh.
It's like a construction themed
Amusement park. And there's also like this big like crane kind of thing. What are those things where like it swoops down and picks up dirt and then like puts it in the back of the crane?
digger.
I don't think it's called a digger. Anyways, whatever that's called, you can like sit inside of it and they'll like swing you around. And there's like a little racetrack where you can drive tractors around it. And like these like, as Mom says, digger.
Do you think Lucas is gonna like it?
Yeah. No, it's Diggyland.
Diggyland.
Diggy.
Should we go get him ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, let's go get him ready.
Yes.
Let's go find him. Hey, Lucas.
I think I know where you're going.
Where
It's
do you
the
think
go-kart place.
No.
Yes.
It's not the go-kart place.
Yes, I am. Yes, it is.
It's something else. I think they're gonna be really, really surprised. Let's get you ready. We're gonna give you a clue. We're gonna get you a shirt. Ding, ding, ding.
I know it's the shirt. I know it's the
What is that?
I can fit in it.
All right, so here's his shirt. I'm digging being 5. So Lucas, here's your clue. How would you like to drive one of these?
Where's my cake? Because how do you want to drive one of these? Right now.
Do you think you could Do you think you could drive one of those? Do you think so? And pick up some dirt?
No.
No. Would you like to try?
Yes.
How about
I know we're going to that place.
We are gonna go to that place. It's called.
Yay! I finally right.
It's called Diggerland.
Put on the
Lucas.
shirt and then we'll go to
put on the
Diggerland.
shirt.
I think we saw a video and now we are going there. I love you.
All right, let's get your shirt on. We get ready to go. Okay.
Okay. Get it up. I put it over my number shirt.
Yeah, he put it over his nutter shirt.
Now let's go.
We gotta get your shoes on. And then we're going to Diggerland. We're here.
That looks so cool.
Lucas is looking at everything he's gonna be able to ride.
Wait, look, Mom, look.
What?
Look. Over there.
Whoa.
I want to do that so
Looks like a lot of fun things to try. Look at this place, Lucas. There's tractors and backhoes and diggers all over. This looks fun.
Whoa.
Look at this. You can like actually drive them. That looks cool. It's like a safari over here. Who do you want to go first?
Follow me.
Okay, follow Lucas.
Follow him.
We're gonna find out. All right, we're going on our first ride over here. That goes high, doesn't it, Lucas?
That one's scary.
Whoa, it's all the way up there. Is that our next ride?
Yeah. No, the next ride is zip line. The next ride is zip line.
Oh, it's still going up. It's still going higher.
I don't like heights.
We're gonna go super high, Lucas. In the sky. Are you super excited?
I love heights.
You like heights? Ready, girls?
Yeah.
The tractor's on, we're going up.
Go down.
We're everything.
I want to go on the zip line.
There's the zip line.
No, I think the scared
How you like it, Gabriel?
No, I don't like heights, but this is fun.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
You can see the whole park from up here.
This is scary.
Look at all the dig things.
I know. I want to dig some dirt. Whoa.
That was bouncy.
We're going up higher. What do you think?
We're almost as high as that blue pole. What?
Whoa. What'd you girls think? Did you get a nice view over there?
Yeah.
That's the next ride we're gonna ride.
That looks fun.
Doesn't that look so fun?
Yeah.
All going on now.
Honey, I'm going with you now.
We're going on, all of us. We're getting on. Look at this. This is gonna be so fun. Are you ready?
So fun.
You ready to spin, guys?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready to spin?
Yeah.
It's about to start. Oh, we're going up. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! We're slowing down. Oh, I think we're going the other way now.
Yeah, that was
Are you guys ready? You ready to go the other way?
No.
You couldn't feel your stomach? Oh, you're
Mom, look down. Mom, look.
Woo-hoo!
I really feel like we're going that way now.
What do you think about that?
It's making me dizzy.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
What'd you guys think? Uh-oh, we're going again!
I don't. Best time ever.
You want to go on that again?
Yeah.
What'd you think of that,
I
buddy?
want to go on it again.
You liked it? What'd you girls think?
I loved it. I want to go on it again.
You want to go on again?
Can we go on it?
That was really cool.
Let's go again.
All right, so they are going on, this will be their third time on this Spin Dizzy. I went on once, but that was enough for me. And now everybody else is gonna go back on. All the kids. Are you guys excited?
Oh, I love that thing.
You got crazy hair, girl. Is that your favorite ride so far?
Yeah. I don't know if the zip line's gonna be. I'm probably gonna be super scared on the zip line, but then I'm super excited.
Yeah.
For some reason.
Have fun, guys. Now we're gonna go on the dig around. Who you gonna ride with? Who you gonna ride with? Which
No,
sister?
instead of digging dirt, Sophia.
That's sister. What'd you think?
It was fun. It actually went a lot faster than
It did? What happened? Did you go backwards and then
And
frontwards?
then it went like
That's pretty
And then it
cool.
went like cricket.
Yeah? Next up, we're gonna dig some dirt. You ready, Lucas?
Yes.
All right, this is yours. Whoa.
Actually, that's
You in there? I'm gonna come in with you.
What? So you're gonna lift up the arm down?
Oh, Matt's gonna lift it up.
Dump out the dirt and dig.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Do you remember what he said?
Yep.
And this is your other control. You got your control in there. Okay, now move it. Wait, whoa! You're moving around. Look at you. That's big. Whoa! And then lift it up, dude.
Wait, I'm gonna drop it.
Are you spinning it?
Mom, how do you drop it?
I don't know. Let's see, maybe this? Whoa, he dropped it. Lift it up. Dump it. Whoa, you're dumping your dirt, dude. You're going back down again. Whoa, look at you picking up your dirt, dude. Keep going. Whoa, look at you. You're doing a great job. You just dumped it. Whoa. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Oh, he's picking up his dirt again. You gonna lift it up? Yeah, there you go. And dump it, dude. Woohoo! Yeah. Wow, you got this. You got this. You're doing great. Hi, Naomi. Naomi's right next to you, Lucas.
Naomi!
She's gonna dig her dirt too. We'll see how she does. Yeah, Naomi! Good job, dude! You did great! Naomi's still going. There's Maddie and Sophia. There's Alphonsus. We're getting on the ground shuttle right now. Are you ready, Lucas? I think he's excited. This is pretty cool. Front row, kids. Ready? Let's see what this ride does, Lucas. He's starting up the tractor. Oh, we're going up. Where do you think we're gonna go?
I don't know.
We're going in the dirt. Hi, Lucas. Whoa, you're going a bouncy ride. We're going around the big rocks.
I really want to jump out.
You want to jump out? That looks cool over there. What's up next?
Tractors.
Tractors. Maddie's getting on the tractor. And she's going to ride the tractor all the way around. Here we go. Look at you riding the tractor. you think of that?
It's fine.
Look where you're going.
Maddie's not running.
Maddie's all done. Naomi's going around. Good job turning it. We're coming in. Coming in for a landing. Whoa. And we're coming in. You ready to ride a tractor? Here we go, dude. It's your turn to ride the tractor. You're doing good, dude. Hold on. Whoa. Good job. You're doing great. Whoa. Oh, look where you're going.
I'm gonna go speed.
Yeah, that's as fast as it goes. Good job, dude. Good job. You're doing great.
I really feel like we'll bump into Gabriel.
Wow, we're gonna bump into Gabriel.
I love it.
Oh, there he goes. And wait till when she says stop. What do you have? We're taking a little ice cream break. Who is that? Are you eating Spider-Man? Seriously? How is it?
Good.
Is it yummy? That's awesome. Right before the soaring eagle, right?
I feel like I'm gonna drop this on there.
You do? Well, we'll finish it before we get on, okay? Where are we going now?
To the zip line.
We are going to the zip line.
I'm super excited.
Here it is. It's called the Soaring Eagle. And we are going to go all the way up there. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
You ready to ride the Soaring Eagle?
Yes, which is the zip line.
Zip line time.
I can't wait.
Whoa.
I kept telling Lucas, hold your hands, hold your hands. Mom.
You excited? You're going to ride with me. And then I'm going to ride with you, Naomi. I get 2 rides.
You're probably gonna get super scared, but
Let's
I'm
see
probably.
Naomi's tooth.
I need to burp.
It's almost coming out.
I need to burp.
You have to burp. Are you having a good birthday, boy?
Yes.
Yes. Finally ready.
Amy, come here.
We're finally up there, and the boys are going up. Have fun, boys.
Gabriel. Gabriel's probably
Here they come.
Why did they leave that up there? They're supposed to be they're coming down.
Are you ready, dude?
Yes.
It's your turn.
He's probably so scared.
And Mama's turn, then it's you, Naomi. I get to go twice with you, too. Are you ready?
I'm scared. Am I going on 1 or 2?
You're getting locked in. this, girl. You guys ready?
Yeah.
It's so high up there. Have fun, girls. Hey guys!
Hi.
We are going on the Excavator Express. Here it is right here. Gonna sit on this tractor now. What was your favorite so far, Lucas?
That.
The eagle, the soaring eagle?
Yeah.
Was that your favorite too?
My favorite was that one too. The soaring.
This soaring eagle? That was really cool. It was so high. All right, here we go. Let's go on the tractors. Here we go.
Mom, get on the back.
All right, here's my seat. Ah, thanks, Alphonsus. Alphonsus is the lone rider. So we can all ride together. You ready, Lucas? You're right in the front.
8 passengers for a tour of Diggerland.
Hi, Sophia.
For your safety, please keep arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times.
Welcome to
What's up, man?
North America's only construction theme park. Diggerland grows every year, and since 2014, over 10 new attractions have been introduced. Stay tuned for exciting additions in the future. Maybe we're in a hard hat.
On our second to our last ride, and it is the Argo Off-Road, and it's coming around right now.
Faster than slow down like that. Steer like this, and then the brakes goes down like that, okay?
You ready, Naomi? Woohoo! Go, Naomi! It's a bumpy ride! Woohoo! Whoa! Going around the curve! Wow, this is a bumpy ride! This is a bumpy! Good job, Naomi!
If you get to the tires there, I'll take her from there. You have fun?
Woo! Yeah! Give me 5, girl! Yeah, nice driving!
Operation Battle Truck.
Battle truck?
Operation Battle Truck.
That's our last ride of the day. It's been an awesome day. We've had so much fun here at Diggerland USA. All right. Sit in the front. I think I'm sitting over here. We are in the front row of the Operation Truck. Y'all buckled?
Yeah.
Are you all buckled?
Yeah.
Whoa. Bumpy ride. And we're coming in for landing. So, favorite ride of the day?
The zip line.
Favorite ride?
Eagle swoop.
The same thing, zip line. What about you? Favorite ride of the day?
All of it.
All of it. Favorite ride, Alphonsus?
The first one we went on.
Which was the spin one?
Yeah, the spin.
Favorite ride of the day?
The zip line.
The soaring eagle. What about you? Favorite ride of the day?
The spinny thing as well. It was fun.
Oh, the one that went around. Yeah. You guys went on that 3 times. Who had fun today? Oh.
Yeah, I
Yes.
The chill one where you.
The Argos one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
You had to move the machine the most.
Favorite one?
I like 2 of them.
Which ones?
I like the one where it spins around.
Mm-hmm.
And I also like the zip line.
The soaring eagle. That was pretty cool. That was my favorite too, was the soaring eagle.
Thanks for watching Crazy8Family Kids. Bye. Best day ever I saw. Subscribe and watch us grow, yeah!